Hi guys, and welcome to get another excited video tutorials. First of all, note that 9 colors, width 1000 and height 500 pixels, create rectangle. Gradient. If you don't show that, then go to Window, Gradient. Add gradient pickup color code 1 and 2. Type any text as you want. Select font. Text size 210 point. Fill off. Appearance. If you don't show that, then go to Window, Appearance. Add new fill. Fill 1. Add gradient pickup color code 3, 4 and white. Opacity 50% overlay. Fill 1. Copy. Fill 2. Pickup color code 5 and 6. Opacity normal. Fill 3. Pickup color code 7. Add offset path 1.1 pixels. Add transform effect horizontal 0.5 and vertical subtract 0.8 pixels. Copies 2. Fill 4. Pickup color code 8. Change offset path 0.5 pixels. Change transform effect horizontal 99.8%. Move horizontal 0.2 and vertical 0.5 pixels. Copies 15. Add new transform effect, horizontal and vertical 0.5 pixels. Add drop shadow value available in my description. Fill 5. Pickup black color. Change offset path 6.2 pixels. Change drop shadow value available in my description. Fill 6. Pickup white color. Change offset path 13.5 pixels. Change drop shadow. Thanks for watching this video. If you like that tutorial, then subscribe, like and share.